Majority of people will have a regular 9 to 5 or full-time job that is their primary source of income. When we think about the word primary, this speaks volumes, as it means that the salary from our current jobs is core to the opportunities we create to achieve our financial objectives. This is why we need to do everything in our power to grow this income source. Let's discuss 5 ways to do just that. The first way is asking for a raise or a promotion. With regards to asking for a raise, just do it. Being able to support your ask by demonstrating your achievements and capabilities. Do some research on comparable salaries and ask for a specific amount, leaving room for negotiation. In relation to a promotion, be on the lookout for new opportunities and be prepared to show that you are qualified and are the perfect candidate for the role. If there are no new posts, position yourself to propose the creation of a new position and be clear on your commitment to the organization and eagerness for development and achieving higher levels of contribution. The second way is continued education. Consistently seek opportunities to improve your knowledge and skill set. This can be done through so many avenues, including pursuing graduate courses, certifications, seminars, and other training. The third way is building relationships. Make an effort to interact with as many people as possible within your organization. It is easier to build relationships by being able to put a face to a name. When your goal is to move up in the company or get a raise, you will need people to support you. The fourth thing you can do to maximize your income is be a star. Be a true asset to your organization by consistently demonstrating your amazing character and work ethic. Strive to be that person that everyone trusts and can rely on to always show up and get the job done in excellent fashion. The fifth way is switch jobs. One of the best ways to earn a higher salary is to get a new job. If you're at a company, you would have started at a base salary, and every raise, usually given on an annual basis, is a percentage of that base salary. A new job provides you with the opportunity to start and negotiate at a higher base salary.